Hey, Keller Williams. So MAPS Executive Coach Aaron Simons here, along with my partner.
Hey everyone, MAPS Executive Coach Emily Baker, and we co-lead the Mega Listing Agent.
Yeah, so we're here to talk to you today about how to leverage your buyers to find more listings. So Emily, I don't know about you, but one of the biggest complaints I'm hearing from agents right now is it's hard to get their buyers under contract because there's not enough inventory. Are you hearing the same thing?
Absolutely.
Now, here's the exciting thing. As real estate agents, we know where to find listings, correct?
Yep.
So if we've got a buyer that's sitting there set up on a search and they're waiting, well, stop waiting and let's go find the listings. So Emily, if you had a buyer that was waiting for something and you wanted to go find a listing in the neighborhood they're looking in, what's one of the first things you would do?
I would send out a golden letter to the entire community in terms of, hey, I have a buyer looking to purchase your house. If you consider selling for top dollar, give me a call at.
Yeah, so number one, we're going to send a letter. Now,
Yep.
Number two, why don't we go and door knock that neighborhood as well? And people always say, what do I door knock with? Well, you know what? Take the letter and stick it in the door. How's that?
Exactly right. Yep.
What else can we do to find inventory and more listings?
You can circle prospect, call them.
Always being, compliant on TCPA and do not call, of course, correct?
Of course, yes.
So we can call through it. The other thing that I love is why don't we go back over some of those old expireds from the last 6 months, 12 months, 24 months ago, right? And why don't we reach out to them and see if they'd still be interested in selling? That would be a good one, right?
Yeah, absolutely. The other thing is, how many of us have had a buyer that we've been working with that decided to buy a for sale by owner? So are you going on to, the bad Z word Zillow? Are you going on forsalebyowner.com? Are you looking for active for sale by owners and calling them and asking them if they would comply with commission?
Yeah, how about this? So we all know that agents like to farm certain neighborhoods. Are you actually going out and figuring out who's farming the neighborhood and reaching out to those agents and asking what they have coming on the market?
Absolutely. And to your point there, you can be doing open houses and you can do all of these activities, circle calling, door knocking, signage, flyers, all around your open houses to maximize those activities.
Yeah, so guys, this is just a reminder that when you have buyers, let's make sure we're leveraging them to go out and find more listings, right?
Yep, absolutely.
All right, so guys, we're here for you. If there's everything you need on listings, reach out. We're here to help.
See you soon.